Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be continuing with graphs. So let's start with today's lesson. Okay, consider the quadratic function h with the following characteristics. The axis of symmetry is the y-axis, the x-intercept minus 4, 0 and 4 and 0. The graph cuts the y-axis at minus 8. Question 5.1 says, sketch the graph of h on a system of axes. Clearly show all intercepts with axes. So let's just choose a pen here. So when you plot the graph, start by labeling your x and y axis, and then you can start with what you've been given. So basically you've been given that the graph is symmetrical about the y-axis. You are given the x-intercept. Let's mark them on the graph. It's minus 4 and 4. Then we are given the y-intercept minus 8. Can just mark minus 8 is somewhere here. Now we can start plotting the graph. Let's use a different color to plot the graph. Let's use red color. Turning point is at minus 8. So this is gonna be how our graph will look like. Let's label it as h. Okay, so let's go to 5.2. Determine the equation of the graph in the form of h of x is equal to ax squared plus q. Let's choose a blue color for that. So 5.2, you must write h of x in this format. What we given is the y-intercept q. It's going to be minus 8. So you can rewrite h of x and replace q with minus 8. So what else are we given? We're given the 2x intercepts. We can use any of them to calculate for the value of a. I'll use the one on the left hand side, in which the y coordinate is 0 and then the x coordinate is minus 4. So I'll start solving for a. 8 will come to this side, it will be positive. Then here I'll be having 16a. So divide by 16 both sides. A is going to be 1 over 2. So the answer here, it means h of x is going to be 1 over 2 x squared minus 8. That's the answer for question 5.2. Then 5.3 says, write down the values of x for which h of x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, let's choose yellow color for that. So the graph, this is when h of x is equal to 0, exactly at 4 and minus 4. So where it's less than or equal to 0, this is the hatched area. That means this is true where x is greater than or equal to minus 4 and where x is less than 4. So that's the answer for 5.3. Let's go to the next question. 5.4. Write down the equation of k if k of x is equal to minus x minus h of x minus 6. So 5.4, k of x is equal to minus h of x minus 6. So we already have h of x it's 1 over 2 x squared minus 8 minus 6. That means k of x will be the answer here is going to be minus 1 over 2 x squared plus 2. So that's the answer for question 1.4. We've come to the end of our lesson for today. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.